Lower body 10-minute home exercises for men above 50. We will see the first exercise, that is stiff legged deadlifts. We have to do 12 reps only. Here we are actually going to bend our knees slightly, stick your butt out and then bend down. Use dumbbells of weight with which you can do maximum 10 reps and have to really push hard for the last 2 reps, that is total 12 reps. This will activate your hamstring, glutes and lower back. Very gradually do full range of motion. Don't give jerks or come fast. Be very gentle, very slowly you do it. Feel the tense on your glutes and your hamstring. Take a deep breath, go down and come up and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. The next one is weighted glute bridge. This you have to do 20 reps only. After completing the first exercise, you have to start this immediately without taking any rest. Here make sure your butt does not touch the floor during this exercise. You have to keep it hovering above the ground. If you touch the ground with your glutes, that means you are slightly resting your glutes. Here also use a dumbbell with which you can go for maximum 18 reps, and for the additional last 2 reps you have to push hard. This will tense your glutes and hamstrings also. Very gently do it. Take a deep breath, go up and exhale through your mouth, again come down. Take a inhale through your nose, go up and exhale through your mouth. Very gently you have to do it. Make sure your glutes don't touch the floor. Before it touches, you have to again raise it, and when you are in a raised position, try to hold it for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Now the last exercise is the Bulgarian split squats. Only 3 exercises we will be doing. This one you have to do 15 squats per leg. Yeah, only 15 squats per leg. After completing the second exercise, immediately start this without taking any rest. Here you will use only your body weight, no dumbbells needed, because in this way you will be also gaining some body balance. With dumbbells you automatically get a balance. So here you will be gaining balance, you will be able to create a balance, improve your body balance also. Always keep in mind while doing these exercises that the knee of your front leg, which is on the floor, should not go much ahead on the of the toe of that leg. The maximum knee bend has to be on the leg which is on the rear side and in a raised position, or it can be on a table or a chair, low table or low chair. Your rear leg should not directly be behind your front leg. As for body stability, this exercise will activate your thighs, hamstrings and glutes. Once you complete all these 3 exercises, you have done one circuit. Then take 60 to 90 seconds of rest and you have to do the second, and again after completing these 3 exercises in the second circuit, take 60 to 90 seconds rest and do the last circuit. That is again repeating the 3 exercises.